You everyone, Engineer Muhammad Waleed here. Okay. Uh, so today I'm going to discuss about the project reference report. Now you can see that this is a USAID project. USAID is actually the American company working into the Saudi Arabia. And if you want to check what type of activities has been deleted and what type of activities has been added before the schedule, then what actually you should have to do, you should have to create some of the project reference report. Okay. So how you can create the project reference report? Okay. So there's a tool option over here. Then there is actually schedule comparison or visualizer. The same thing, we work from the schedule comparison. Now here you can want to create a new. So I will write over here that engineer Muhammad Waleed, planning engineer over here. And I will make it option over here. Now you can see that here is the advanced option. Here I want word. Don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. Everything you want, you can add over here. Go to the project tool. Now, where is actually our company was located? It was actually listed company, so I have to check on which EPS it was created over here. This is actually created on the Sayed brother, so I will open it over here and I will select the Sayed brother. So here is the lucid you should have said. Now here is actually the baseline. Now recently we have just restore the baseline. Why restore the baseline? In order to compare our project very easily. Go to the Sayed brother and his engineer Waleed and make it add work. So you can see that now this is my previous project and what actually I have created. This is only for the report. I will click over here. I will go to the save. Now after clicking the save and draw, you can check over here. This is actually the project report over here. Okay, but still we don't have make any changes in this topic. So general project information we never make change. This one budget we never make change. Activity dates we never make change. If you will make any change into the schedule, this report will shows you all. So what actually I will do over here in order to make the comparison, the correct comparison. What actually I will do now here, in case this is a relationship, for example, and I am going to delete this relationship. This is the totally wrong relationship because you are going to lock your activity. So we should have to finish those tasks fine. Because if you will add the multiple resources to the activity, what will happen? For example, this is activity 1. This is activity 2. This is activity 3. And once you will add the other activity, this one, what happened? This is link 1. This is link 2. Now what actually the Primavera pieces do? The Primavera pieces will never create any path that on which path you actually want to work and where is actually your project is going. So what is actually happening when you will start the update? This will come here. This plan will come here. It will go here, here, and then here and here. It will create a loop. This program is called loop. And you will see a clear option over here, a clear error over here that you are creating the loop. So you should have to delete the loop by deleting the relationship. Here you are watching there is some dotted line. This dotted line is showing the non-driven activity. Non-driven activity means that this activity is not taking the path. What type of path? That what is your predecessor or successor? If your predecessor or successor is not defining by the P6 program, this activity is normally show you in the dotted line. Now let's come back to the topic. There is actually few concepts for taking my course in very proper detail. Join me. Now let's go to the topic that what actually prior difference report shows us. Now you can see that I have deleted the schedule, but I don't know what type of schedule I have deleted or what type of relationship I have deleted. For this purpose, you should have to come to the schedule comparison. Go to the options over here. Now again, you should have to come to the same. Now after this, what actually you should have to do? Yeah, you will bring it down. Now one thing, what you will what you will focus over here. You can see this one. If you can see activity relationship added and deleted. Before this option was not available. Why? Because recently I have deleted the relationship from my program. Okay, so now I'm going to compare. Now you can see over here, this is activity ID. This is placing PO. This is finished to a start. Okay, so now what is actually the basic thing over here? Basic thing is that what type of relationship you have deleted. Here you will check the all detail. Like you can see, like you can see this detail that what is the activity ID. So this is activity ID is actually. So LCD PRO electric double one double zero is actually the previous program, but now you have actually deleted it. Now actually you will found from here that how you deleted it. Now there is actually 3,000 activities, sometimes 5,000 activities, sometimes 7,000 activities. How you can define it? Because definitely you have to find out some of the missing activity. So you can find out by using some of the different commands. We will discuss it later. It is enough for today. Thank you very much for watching.